Hi, and welcome to Penn Central 99's channel. I'm Terry, and this is the River Mountain Model Railroad. Hello, and welcome back to the layout. It's July 2019, so I thought I would put together a little update. If you remember from the last layout update, one of my projects was this HO scale 50-foot boxcar. Well, it's been completed, so let's take a look and see how it turned out. And here's what it looks like outside on the diorama. I think it looks pretty good. So this will just give you a quick overview, quick shot of what it looks like outside on the diorama. Let me flip it around here so you can see what the other side looks like. Now, I did not do both sides the same. I didn't want to detract from the slack signature side of the boxcar. Plus I can always come back later and put something on the back side, so I did not want to detract from the graffiti side. I think the hand-painted graffiti turned out pretty good. I think the roof looks good. That's an actual prototype roof. The ends, couplers, air hose. I don't know if you noticed, but I actually used a wooden popsicle stick that had been laying outside and was weathered by the weather. Cut it to size and put it on there. I think that looks pretty good. The only items I've been picking up lately are these weathering supplies. As you can see, they're from Ammo of Mig, and you can see the 4 flavors there that I've picked up lately. I actually like working with these. I used these on the last project for that 50-foot boxcar, and I think they turned out pretty good and helped with the weathering details on the boxcar. So these are about the only purchases or things I've been picking up lately as weathering supplies. I have been putting together some more wrap lumber loads. You can see here I'm just about done putting together a load for Pavco, which is in fact a gypsum or sheetrock company here in Las Vegas. So as you can see, I'm just about done putting that wrap lumber load, or in this case a wrap drywall load, together for yet another center beam flat. We've got one more sheet to cut up, and then we'll go ahead and start weathering the next center beam flat for that particular load. Well, that pretty much does it for this edition. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. And as always, thanks for watching.